equation by adding. Solving equation by subtracting, by adding and subtracting. So this is actually lesson, this is equations. This is lesson 1.7. So there are equations given here. Question number 1, which is x minus 6 is equals to 12. Then you have x equals to 6, 8 or 18. So basically what they are trying to tell you here is the same thing we did in 1.1. Okay, so anywhere you see x, you're going to put 6, 8 or 12. So you're going to put 6, 8 and 12. So anywhere you see x, we're going to use this equation, this one. Okay, so the equation we're using is x minus 6. We want to see which one of these numbers, 6, 8 or 18, when you add them here or subtract them here, will give us 12. That is all we are looking for. We are looking for which of this number, when you input it here, that will be equals to 12. So let's see. We're going to replace this by using the first one, which is 6. So it will be 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6 is not 12. It's not equals to 12. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So this one, this is a no. Let's take the second one, x minus 6. So we're going to replace it using 8. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 is not equals to 12. So 8 minus 6 is going to give us 2. So the second one is a no. Let's try the third one, which is, I'm going to move it a little bit. The third one, which is, we're going to use the equation again, x minus 6. So we'll replace x with 18 minus 6. 18 minus 6 is going to give us 12. So this is the correct answer, okay? That's all they are looking for. So this is the only one that is a solution. This is a solution. This is not a solution. This is not a solution. So 18 minus 6, 18 is the solution. So when you replace x with 18 and subtract it, is going to give you the solution we are looking for, which is 12. So let's try another one, question number 2. You have here, I don't know if you can see me clearly. You have here question number 2, which says 9 plus x equals to 17. So let's look at the figures they are going to use to replace x. Okay, x will be 6, 8 or 26. So anywhere you see x, you put 6. Anywhere you see x, or you put 8. We're going to put all of them, so we'll see which one is a solution. Remember, the solution we're looking for is 17. 9 plus 6. Is 9 plus 6 17? We're using the first one. 9 plus 6. Anywhere you see x, you put 6. What is 9 plus 6? 9 plus 6 is 17. Okay? So 9 plus 6 being 17, which means this is a solution. But why don't we try? Let's keep going. Anywhere you see x, we're going to try again. 9 plus 8. Uh-oh. What did I do? This is wrong. 9 plus 6 is not 17. 9 plus 6 is 15. I'm so sorry. 9 plus 6 is 15. This is not a solution. Please, again. This is not a solution, please. 9 plus 6 is 15. 9 plus 8 is 17. So this is the one. This is a solution. Okay? This will give you 15. This is not a solution. Now the next one, 9 plus 26. 9 plus 26 is going to give you 35. So we are looking for 17, we are not looking for 35. So this is not a solution. Remember, the initial equation is 9 plus x. So we want to see which number, when you add it with 9, that will give us 17. So the only number here, that when you add it with 9, that will give us 17 is 8. Okay? So 8 is a solution. This whole thing here is a solution. Okay? The next one, question number 3. We have, so I'll try as much as I can to, I'm not going to solve all of them, I just picked randomly. X minus 12 equals to 26. X minus 12 equals 26. So let's see what we are replacing x with. X equals to 14. X equals to 38 and x or 40. Okay, so what are we going to do? We do the whatever thing we've been doing. X, we replace x with 14, 38 or 40. So remember, x here, we're going to write it out. Minus 12 equals to 26. So this is the equation we're using. We replace it with 14 minus 12. Is it equals to 26? No. This is not equals to 26. Rather, the answer is what? 2. 14 minus 12 is 2. So this is not a solution. You have x minus 12 equals to 26. So we'll use 38. 38 minus 12. Is it going to give us 26? Yes. So this is a solution. Okay, let's see if 40 will give us solution. X minus 12 again equals to 26. We have 40 minus 12. Is it going to give us 26? No. No, it will not. It's going to give us 20. This is not equals to 26. When you see something like this, it means not equal to. Okay? Not equal to. All right. So 10 minus 2 is going to give you 8. 3 minus 1 is going to give you 2. So the answer is 28, not 26. So this is not a solution. We are looking for 26, not 28. Okay? If you have any question, let me know. So we are going to do the next one. I have my ruler here. We're going to do the next one, which is question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 3. Oh no, hold on. Question number 3. Question number 4 says x plus 18 equals to 59. So let's see what numbers are we replace x with. You have x equals to 37, 41, or 77. Okay, let's do it. Remember what you do, you have to plug in x. Anywhere you see x, you plug in 37, 41, or... So let's write the equation. Equation is x plus 18 equals to 59. So we replace x with 37, which is the first one. 37 plus 18, is it equals to 59? Let's see. 8 plus 7 is going to give you what? 15. Remember 1. 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 1, 55. So it is not equal to 59. This is not a solution. So the next one, we'll plug in 41. So we have x plus 18 equals to 59. So we'll replace it. 41 plus 18, is it equals to 59? Let's see. 1 plus 8 is 9. 4 plus 1 is 5. Yes, it is equal to 59. So this is a solution. Okay, but let's see if 77 will give us a solution. You have x plus 18 again. Is the same thing. The next question, I'm not going to repeat all this equation. We have 77 plus 18 equals to 59. Let's see if it's going to give us 59. 7 plus 8 is what? 15. You write 5, you put 1 up. 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. So this is not equal to 59. So this is not a solution. Okay, so we have another question. Question number 5. Okay, I think we're done with this. This is question number 4. I think we're done with this. So the next question is solve. They just gave you solve. They just gave you solve. Okay, this is what we did. Question number 1. Question number 2 and question number 3. So x 26 plus 17. Okay, I'm checking because I didn't understand this. Okay. Okay, now that's it. No, so we're going to answer the next question. That's it. Only have 4. Then we're gonna solve. They just wrote solve. Okay, this goes to question number 5. So we have n minus 8 equals 11. So what they are trying to tell you here is to find n. What is n? We don't know what n is. N could be anything. N could be gold. N could be silver. N could be anything. Okay, so we don't know what n is. So what we normally do is whatever thing, if you're trying to find a number or a specific digit or a specific variable, you normally move everything away from it. So we are looking for n. This is what we are looking for, which means we're going to move 8 from here over to this side. Remember, 11 is here already. This is 11's home. -8 is coming from her home to go and meet 11. So 11 will stay and say hello to negative 8. So when negative crosses equal sign, it will change. This is negative is coming now. It crosses equal sign is going to change to positive. So instead of writing negative here, you're going to put positive 8. So what is left? What is left is n. So n will give you 11 plus 8, which is 19. Okay. Sometimes you can do it like this. You add 8. We just want to eliminate negative 8. How do we eliminate negative 8? You eliminate it by adding 8. So sometimes it goes, you can do it like this. There are so many methods of solving this. You have n minus 8 equals to 11. So to remove this, you add 8. So you add 8 here. This will give you n. This cancel this. 0 equals to 19. That's it. Same thing. So whichever one that is easier for you, you do it. So we're going to do question number 6, which is G. 9 plus G. Question number 6 is 9 plus G. Okay. 9 plus G. So we're looking for G equals to 13, which means we're going to move 9. Remember, there is no sign here, which means automatically it is positive. So we're going to move everything here all the way to this side. Remember, when positive crosses equal sign, it becomes negative. Okay. So here we're going to find is going to be, we'll leave G alone. 13 minus 9. Remember, when it's coming is positive. Once it crosses this sign, it becomes negative. So we moved 9 to 13 so that G will be alone. So what is 13 minus 9? 13 minus 9 is going to give us what? 4. So G here is 4. G4. We'll do question number 7. Then I'll let you do. We'll do 7. Do 7, 14. I'm trying to see if there's any difference. 14, 15, and okay, let's do 7. Seven is y plus 6. Y plus 6 equals to 2. So we are looking for y. Basically, we have to move everything to this side. So y is going to be 2 minus 6. What is 2 minus 6? Y is going to give you negative. Y is going to give you negative 4. Okay. Y is going to give you negative 4. So how do you get this negative 6? When positive crosses equal sign, it's going to give you negative. So 2 minus 4, since 2 is smaller, you have to subtract it from, you have to subtract 2 from 6. Since it's smaller, whatever answer you get, you have to put the negative sign. You subtract and put the sign of the bigger number. So we're not going to do question number 8. We're going over to question number 11 because it's, all of them are basically the same thing. So question number 11 is A plus 35 equals to 51. What is A? A, you move 35 here, will give you 51 minus 35. It is minus because the sign here is positive. Okay, so this is going to give you 6 and 6 and 1. Sorry, this is 1. 16. This is going to give you 16. So the sign of the bigger number is plus, so we leave it plus. A is equals to 16. Question number we're doing too much addition. So here we're going to do the, this decimal. 14, question number 14 has decimal in it, which is a bit different. You have 7.5 plus C equals to 10 plus 0.6. So we're going to move everything here over there, and we leave C alone. So C is going to be 10.6 minus 7.5. It is minus because the sign in front of 7 is plus. So we can add it, we can do it like this: 10 plus 6 minus 7.5. Okay, we are following the point. Remember I told you the last time, when it's subtraction and addition, you make sure that the whole points are in the same line, they are aligned together. So we put 6 and 5, point 10. This is 0 and 7. We can't write 7 here because it's not 70, it is 7. So make sure that everything is on its own place. 7 is close to decimal, 0 is close to decimal. So now this is going to give us 1. Remember to bring down the decimal. 10 minus 7 is 3. So the answer here is 10 minus 7.5 is going to give you 3.1. So C is 3.1. The next one we are going to do is decimal again. Question number 15. I don't know if you can see me. Question number 15. You have y minus 1.7 equals to 0.6. So this is a negative sign. So when you move it over here, when you move all of this over here, the sign will change. It's going to give you y equals to 0.6 plus 1.7. So you add them. Remember how you add it? You can, if you don't know how to do, you can draw a line like this. Okay, make sure everything is in its box. You put dot and dot. Write the first one up, 6. What is close to dot? 7, 0, and 1. Don't forget to add. That's how you do it. 6 plus 7 is going to give you what? 13. You bring down dot, up here 1. 1 plus 1 is going to give you 2. So the answer is what? 2.3. Y equals to 2.3. Okay? And that's question number 15. Is there any other question? Okay, let me see if I can solve question. I'm going to solve question number 9 if you have time. Okay, I'm going to write question number 12 here. This is kind of a bonus, which is m minus 6 equals to negative 13. So we're going to move everything here to this side. So remember, when you're moving, the sign changes. It's going to give you equals to, negative is already here. We don't have to change it because we are coming for a visit. So this is negative 13 plus 6. Remember, if you see any sign like any problem like this, you subtract but keep the sign of the bigger number. Okay? So 13 minus 6 is going to give you 7. Don't forget the negative sign. So m is equals to what?